guys, and welcome back to our channel. We are out here in a local state forest with another camping video planned for you guys today.
Yeah, so we are actually about to go on a huge trip, but we wanted to get one last camping trip in before we go out of town for a little bit. So yeah, we've been wanting to camp here for a while. They're always booked. There's only like 3 primitive sites here, so we were able to snag the last one this weekend, and we actually have pretty good weather. It shouldn't get too cold tonight. It's like in the 60s right now, so
Woo!
gonna be a really good night.
All right, let's get everything unpacked and ready for a camp night. Guys, we actually have a little riverfront view as well, so yeah, nice and peaceful, but probably snakes and alligators in there, so we'll keep you posted if we see one. Here they come! Run, Woody!
She's pulling me too fast in my sandals.
Go, Woody, go!
We have got all the chairs and stuff set up. The area is like super duper nice. Yeah, we're probably gonna start cooking here shortly. It is almost 4:30. The sun goes down at 5:30. And tonight we are actually going to try to cook over the live fire. I'm a little nervous about how it's going to go. We picked up like some grill grates to place over like the fire. So we have some special steaks that we're going to cook as well. So I'm super excited. I hope it turns out okay, but a little nervous. So we're going to start before it gets too dark, just so I feel more confident about it. So yeah.
And what is that in your hand?
Oh, this in my hand is Thin Mints. Yeah, on the way out here, they're actually selling some when we were picking up some water and ice. So I figured might as well grab a box and enjoy these tonight by the fire as well. So we were having 2 New York strips. We got the grill grates over the fire pit, and hopefully this turns out okay. I'm a little nervous about it. We also are going to have some mashed potatoes with this as well. I think I'm gonna maybe wait to put these on. I'm really not sure how long it's gonna take to cook over the fire.
I feel like this is a superior camp meal. I feel like we're fine dining.
No.
Yes. All right, so a little post-dinner interview. Miles chefed it up as usual. The steak was super good. It is probably one of my favorite camp meals we've ever done. We've done like steak tacos and steak nachos before, but never like a whole steak. So that was really good, really filling. So yeah, about to just hang out by the fire until it's time for dessert, which is s'mores. This is giant. You're gonna like that a lot.
Oh.
Good night. Good night, dog. Oh, you want on the window?
It is officially 10:33. I think we were about to turn in for the night. Originally we thought it wasn't going to be as cold like I said earlier, but it is getting a lot colder than I anticipated it was going to be, and it's actually going to get down to 38 degrees tonight. So I hope we stay warm tonight. In our sleeping bags we didn't bring like a toboggan or like a puffer jacket or anything, so we'll see how it goes. I'm glad Izzy is here to give us a little extra warmth in the tent. But yeah, so that is going to do it for tonight. We will see you guys in the morning for some breakfast. I'll have that.
Good morning, guys. We are enjoying some breakfast bagels just in the back of the truck. But yeah, it's been a good morning so far. We slept good last night. Izzy's hungry. But yeah, we slept good. We got a fire started and made some bacon, egg, and cheese bagels. So yeah.
Yeah, the fire did not go as well as I hope, but we were able to cook everything, so that's all that matters. It's about 10:30. It feels really good out here. It didn't get too cold last night. I think we stayed pretty warm for the most part. So yeah, it was overall a really good night. We've had a good morning so far. So yeah, we're gonna just enjoy these bagels and take it easy.